designers! Many of you are surprised to see me here instead of Arnav, right? I know. I'm Avantika and I'm a new member of Design Dive. So today we're gonna talk about 6 free Figma plugins that will increase your workflow. So without wasting time, let's get started. So moving to the first plugin, user profile. We often use profile image in our design, and to do so, we go to any website, search for the profile image, then copy the image from the browser and paste it in the placeholder. This process is very time consuming. The user profile plugin makes your job very easy and saves your lives and time. You just need to select all the placeholders, run the plugin, select type of image. You can even filter out your result by gender type, emotion, hair color. Once you're done, just click insert random photo and you are done. Now the next plugin is Figma Data Picker. This plugin do exactly what it says. It's create fake data for your design. Instead of using lorem ipsum or copy data from other website, we can use this plugin and generate real data. For example, in this UI design, I will select all the text layer for name, run the plugin, and then select full name, and here we go, we are done. Similarly, we can populate the address and phone number fields. So the third plugin is contrast. While we design, we often forget to maintain WCAG guideline. In some country, we can't even publish a website without WCAG guideline. Contrast plugin will always check for the contrast of your design so that you never fall out of WCAG guideline in your design. In this UI example, you can see how it's continuously checking contrast while I keep selecting layer. Register now link has been failed against WCAG guideline, but as soon as I started changing the color, it started rechecking. And when it's as per the guideline, it shows the confirmation. Now the fourth plugin is Morph. This plugin is one of the best plugin for Figma. It takes care of 6 morphism, including geomorphism, glass morphism, and neon. Let me show you how it works. Let me take a rectangle block and fill it with red color. Now from the plugin panel, run Morph. Select the Geomorph while the rectangle is selected, and you can see your morph rectangle has been created. You can change the surface and adjust the color direction to get the different effect. There are 6 morphism, and different morphism has different controllable parameters. Now our fifth plugin is Webgradients. As a designer, we always look some beautiful gradient for our design, right? But it takes lots of time to create it. Webgradient makes our life easy. Here we have few rectangle blocks, and let's run the plugin from the plugin panel. Now select any rectangle and choose the gradient you want to apply, and you are done. There are lots of variation based on different theme. You can even filter the list by selective color. Once the gradient is applied, you can make the necessary changes as per your requirement. So the last plugin is Phosphor Icon. As the name suggests, this plugin will provide you different icon for your design. There are many other plugins are available for icons, but why this is my favorite? For 2 reasons. 1, this is completely free. Second, it's provide icon in different ways. Now run the Phosphor Icon for the plugin panels, and it will open the icon selector window where you can see all the icons in regular way. Tapping on any icon will add the icon to your design. From the drop down, you see even choose the different weight. Here let's say I choose solid, then all solid icon will appear. If I choose duotone, then all duotone icon will appear. Now even you can change the color of any icon irrespective of the weightage. The plugin also provides a search option from where you can search the icon through their database. Well, this is all for today's guys. I know there are many more plugins available and I will list it down in the description box below. We are committed to deliver exactly what you seek for, ensuring your needs are met. If you enjoyed our video, do like and share our video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever we post new video. Till then, bye bye.